Okay, so we can start. Once again. Welcome and thank you for attending in such a big number. My name is Marko Pajic and I'm one of the members from certification committee, and I'm very happy to help you through this process and also to continue our heritage of the board and to have exam every year. So we had a big work to organize all of this and to keep the exam in one place in such conditions. And also I'm happy that we found the best one, so all of you can attend this exam and not being together in big or small groups, so doing the exam from your home. So that's why we prepared this presentation, and also in the end we prepared a short introductional exam. I would also like to ask you please to mute your microphones, because there is already a lot of participants, so it can be very noisy if we don't do that. So before I start, I would like to ask Dominique Hella just to give a short word before we start. Yeah.
Yes, hello everybody. It's my pleasure to have all of you tonight, and I would like to thank Marco for the very, very great job he has done for all of us. So welcome in our European community, and I hope that everybody and everything will go very well.
Bienvenida a la comunidad europea, bienvenidos, están presentados.
No, I'm sorry, somebody else is to talk, but I have nothing to add, but please listen very well to what Marco will explain now. It's very important for you for the session of examination that it's already ready, and we hope that everything will run very well next week. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you, Dominique, very much. Okay, we will start first with the presentation. So first thing first, I hope you see my presentation. Yeah, okay. So what we need for the exam. So now we will go through the minimal requirements. I believe that some of you don't understand English very well, so that's why we are recording this session, and afterwards you can have consultations with your delegate also, but it's very easy and we will do it step by step. So the first thing is that we need is a stable internet connection. So if you know that your home internet or whatever internet you are using is not so reliable, please ensure that on the day of the exam you will have a proper connection. Main reason is that during the exam, if your connection is bad or you'll get disconnected, if you close the browser, that will mean that you finished the attempt. So in that moment, exam will finish for you. So you need to take care about that part. So computers or whatever device you are using needs to be connected to power, needs to be connected to a reliable source of the internet, and also device needs to have built-in camera and microphone.
Do you allow a question in between?
Yes, maybe in the end of the slide.
Okay.
After every slide, I will ask.
Okay.
Thank you. So as I will monitor the exam from my computer and plus 2 widescreens. So in this moment, I can see all of you. So at this moment, I can see that 2, 4, 6, 7, around 10 of people are without video. So on the day of the exam, people without video connection and also people who don't have microphone in the corner of their screen will be disqualified if they don't fix that immediately or before the exam. Why we need to do that? During the exam, you will be in the room, which is, I hope, quiet. So all microphones will be turned on, meaning that you are working your exam by yourself. So there is no, like any exam. So that's one of them. And the second one is video monitoring that will show us that you are doing your exam by yourself, and also that there is only one person doing it. So generally that's the main idea. So, and also in between, I have 3 little dogs, so sorry if there get some noise or whatever, so that's unpredictable. So are there any questions for this part now? One by one.
Yes, please, if I'd
Yeah.
allowed. What is if the internet company breaks down? So last week I had a problem with the internet connection. So there were in complete northern Switzerland no internet. So I'm disqualified because the company provides no internet.
We will just hope that that will not happen. And
Yeah, but if it happened,
if we have anything like that, again, you will be connected to Zoom. Exam will take 90 minutes. So I hope that in between, if you have some mobile internet or whatever, you reconnect, and then we will see what we can do to restart the exam, whatever.
Okay.
But we will hope that it will not happen. So it's like,
yeah,
like
Okay.
any other exam in modern age now. So it's, I understand the stress, but we will see. And of course, we will do everything that is in interest of applicant and not in our interest. So that's
okay.
all I can say from this moment. Okay, anyone else? No? Okay. Next thing. So to join Zoom session, that's the second requirement, like today we are doing. Second, sorry, new people coming in. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow on your email directly, you will receive the link for the meeting like this one today. So you will get the invitation link. It will not be like this one today, the new link you will receive. And then you will connect to the same session like we are having today. So nothing special. We already tested, and I see that more than 90% of people have no problem until now. Only few of people who are without video, but I say again, you will consult your delegates additionally if you don't understand something, and then you have time until 14th of November to resolve if you have a problem with video or audio connection to the Zoom. Anyway, in between, you can always contact me by email and I will see how I can help you with that also. For the exam, we will use regular web browsers. So you can use any of those, any of you have. Initial idea was to use Safe Exam browser. Is the browser only made for Moodle and software similar to Moodle. But in the between, we learned how to program Moodle. Please, some of your microphones is not muted. Please check it. It's annoying. So we found a way how to program the Moodle to check things that Safe Exam browser is doing. So if anyone tries to type something or to open a new tab or to minimize the browser, system will disqualify the applicant also. So when you open Moodle, on that page is only Moodle and nothing else. So the browser and Moodle will be configured like that to detect any kind of, I don't know, if something happens or if you want to open a new tab. So that's not possible in this way. And also it will be notified through the Moodle. So regular web browsers, I hope that you understood that. So you don't need any application, no any special program, just the thing like you're doing today. Okay. So 1 hour before the exam, Zoom session will start like today. And earlier we will start with introductions. So on 14th November at 8:00 Central European time. That's something that we already discussed, just important to repeat it again. And after all students are verified, so we have identity, camera, and microphone, final preparations will start. At 9 CAT, exam password will be presented on the screen. You will see in a few minutes how it will look. So just a final remarks about the exam, just to be sure that everybody got it, but also you will see it again in repetition. So we have 50 questions on the final exam. Exam will take 90 minutes from the moment you started it. You need 60% or more to pass. In this case, it's 30 or more. No negative points at this exam, so only right ones will be taken as okay. And 4 to 5 answers you have per question. That's just only for your information, just to know. And there is only one right answer in every question. So there are no multiple right answers, only one. So that's the thing. Results will be sent out few days after the exam. So like you tried the test exam before and the exam that you will try today, when you click finish and when you confirm that that's your final decision, you will get info that the exam is over, and that's all. So you will not receive the remark, because we need to do double checks and to ensure that every exam was done correctly and that we don't have any problems, because you just need to understand the big pressure that we are taking on this exam. It will be easy if every exam is in English, but we prepared exam in 9 or 10 languages and 50 questions for every language plus the answers and everything. So nearly 2,500 different combinations of the test for this year for every student. So generally no one will have the same exam and same order of questions and answers. So that's the strategy. And now we will try the trial exam. So please open your web browsers and navigate to moodle.ebcp.eu. When you go to the page, please log in and go to the home page, and you will find the new exam that is prepared for today.
Marco, we are in the screen your presentation, so we don't have access to the Moodle.
Oh, so you are using Zoom right now, but now you will put it in a background and you will open your web browser. Yeah.
I can because I have only your presentation in my screen. Maybe if you stop sharing.
More or less, you can minimize the
No,
screen, but I will, yeah, okay, just a second.
Right now.
Okay.
Excuse me, Marco?
Yes.
We can use Moodle.ebcp.eu by Google or by another?
Whatever is easy for you, so it doesn't matter. It's
Okay.
important to navigate to the page, but
Okay. Okay.
yeah. So everyone who logged in, please navigate to the trial EBCP exam 2020. So now again, I need to share my screen because I will present you the password. So it will be done on the same way for the final exam.
Marco, sorry.
Yes.
Which is the password of this test? Because
It's right now on the screen.
Yeah, I'm on the this one TEX.2020.
Yes, and it's capital
Okay.
T. Yeah.
Okay. Capital,
luck.
the first one only.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
You can start with the exam.
It was Moodle EBCP exam 2020, and
On the home page, the exam is called Trial EBCP Exam 2020.
Marco, please.
Yes.
What is the login for the Moodle?
Who is asking that? Sorry.
It's me, Nicolas.
Okay. Okay. So I believe that you received the email with username and password.
When should I receive this mail?
You received it, I think, already. I don't remember. I sent so many emails. I can check now.
Okay, thank you.
I'm a bit lost. I'm the oldest one.
Take your time.
Well, Moodle, and then what?
So you navigate on your web browser and then you type Moodle, MOODLE dot
Yeah.
ebcp.eu.
Sorry, Marco.
Just a second. Nicholas Levin, I send you login information again. Sorry, who asked?
Hi, Marco, this is Gil. Hi.
Okay.
Hi. Sorry for interrupt you. I didn't get the password actually. I'm there. I do the trial test attempt and then ask me the password, but I couldn't get it. I put the TTT low line 2020, but it doesn't work.
No, password is capital T and then EX.2020, like it was on the screen.
Didn't get it. I didn't see on the screen. Sorry.
Again,
Can you repeat it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I will
sorry.
share my screen. Yeah.
So
Just
because,
a second.
so show me just on your screen, please.
Just a second.
Yeah.
You can see it now.
Yeah, I see you.
So this is the password for the exam. Yeah.
So it's text.2020. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll try.
Capital T. Yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry, I have a question again. Matthias Hecht.
Yes.
I have no login anymore. I cannot join the Moodle trial exam. I don't know why. I cannot get in.
So did you log in to the system?
I'm on the Moodle page, but I cannot log in. They don't register my my name. It doesn't work.
Just a second.
And even with my email.
So for the login for the Moodle, you use the username and password you received from the system, or you had emailing with me. Did you send me email for the request?
I sent you an email, but I didn't have it anymore.
Did you receive the username and password?
At some point. There. Okay, I got it.
Use it, please.
Sorry for the interruption.
Nothing. Just that's why we are testing everything.
That's okay.
Don't worry.
Marco, sorry, it's Nicolas.
Yes.
I try and I retry for twice or three, and that doesn't work now with the username and this password in the email that you send me.
Give me a second.
Sorry, what was the password for the quiz?
Capital T EX.2020. Nicholas, I send you again your credentials.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Password doesn't work. What is it? Text.20.
I will share my screen again.
Yes, please.
Don't worry. Here it is.
Margot, excuse me.
Yes.
I can use the test in French or no?
No, this is only for the presentation. So
Okay.
just try it.
But during exam in French, huh?
Yeah. Final exam
Yeah,
will
okay.
be in French for you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Marco,
Yeah. Yes.
Do we start the test now?
Yes.
Okay.
This is the probationary test only.
Okay.
Marco, did you send the identification and password to the delegates?
No.
So if I want to see the exam, look at the exam, which I can or not?
What you think to enter the exam?
Yes, I can or not as a delegate.
Generally, only students can open it, but if there is a reason, we will unlock it. I will see how that can go.
Thank you, Marco. It's working now with
Great.
the new password. Yeah.
Marco, for us, it's not working. I cannot join the test.
With the password that was on the.
With your text.
Yeah, but T is capital, big T, capital T.
Yes.
And then .2020.
Yes, I tried with it, but it did not work. Sorry. But it's not important for me.
Yeah. Just.
I did the questions.
The most important thing is that on the day of the exam, we need to take care for the noise and everything. Yeah.
Bon, je suis avec toi là sur le net. Attends, je regarde si j'ai bien coupé mon micro.
Sì, arrivo.
Another question?
Sorry.
Yes. Is it possible to see the results of this now, of the example?
Generally, I could do that, but the system is programmed to make the full simulation of the exam on the day. So
okay.
I will see in the next days, because this exam will be unlocked until few days before the final exam. So check it in next days, maybe.
Okay.
It will be done.
Sorry, Marco.
Yeah, yeah.
I can't select the rebounds, the les réponses. Sorry.
Mhm.
I can select one.
Yes, it's only one, always.
No, but I can select. I click, but it's not.
Can I talk to you, please?
Yes.
I just phoned now to Dominiquela, and she told me that you were supposed to send us the username to try the connection tonight.
What connection?
Yes, because I tried to connect me to the Moodle page, but I don't have a username. I understand about the password, but I don't have the username. But I didn't receive an email about it. Do you want me to send you my email?
Generally, that's something that's supposed to be done in days before. A month ago, I sent to all of your delegates a notice. So just a second, give me a minute to see. Repeat your name, please.
My name is Steve.
Okay.
Here.
Steve.
Yes.
And
Steve,
what is
Steve
your...
is his first name, is the first name, Marco. Steve is his first name. Family name is Dangote, D-A-N-G-O-T-T-E.
I thought it was written on your screen. Sorry.
Do you see his name? Would you see the face?
Yeah,
Marco?
just a second.
Yes?
Yeah,
Okay.
just a second. Oh, because what is the country of examination?
Belgium.
Dominique.
Je t'écoute, Aloïs.
Je ne sais pas sélectionner en fait les réponses aux questions.
Ah bon?
Tu vois, je ne sais pas appuyer sur les réponses.
Ah, c'est bizarre ça. Attends.
Je peux partager mon écran si tu veux, mais...
Oui. Marco, Alois is saying that she cannot enter the answer in the test. She is not able to push on the right answer she choose. You
That
understand?
can be only by computer, because Moodle has questions and right answers. I think that no one has such a problem. So maybe you need to change your browser or to see something wrong with your computer.
Tu entends, allô?
Je dois changer de...
Soit de computer, soit de browser. Donc, tu passes sur Google ou sur un autre, je ne sais pas avec quoi tu appelles.
Là, c'est avec le Mac de Marc.
Oui. Mais tu as quel système? Tu vois, c'est Safari alors.
Avec Firefox, je vais essayer avec Safari alors maintenant.
Oui, moi je fais avec Safari. Ça marche bien.
Safari.
Okay.
Parce que chez moi, j'aurais un ordinateur normal, enfin pas de Mac, donc j'espère.
Okay, so until
sorry, we talk in French. Sorry, Marc.
Yeah, so until now we have 51 attempts of the exam, and there is 69 participants. So it seems that more people have difficulties joining. So is there anyone else who didn't started the exam?
Marco, can you hear me?
Just a second. Yes.
Yeah, I've done it and it's finished. I already have the results. All done.
Yeah. The result is only that you finished your exam. So there is.
No, that's even the result.
Mm-hmm.
On 10. It said how many I did it right on 10.
Okay. That's
it
nice.
Shouldn't.
Wait.
It shouldn't.
No, we can you open the exam and to see answers you gave?
Let me check again because I'm out.
Not anymore.
Mm-hmm. I think that no one can, but maybe.
It shows the result,
Okay.
but you cannot see the answers or cannot go back to the test. I tried
Correct.
it. You cannot go back.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, but the final exam will have only the info that you successfully finished your exam, was on time, and that's all.
Which is enough.
We will keep the tradition that delegates and certification committee will give you the info about the.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So anyone else having problem with logging into the exam?
I have problem with login.
Repeat, please.
I have a problem with login. I have a failure 505 by login.
Just a second. So did you receive the email from me directly with username and password?
Not yet for me. I check.
Yeah, we will solve that later because sorry for.
Okay.
Yes, Margot?
Yes.
I have finished. After that, I can do anything, or I send the result, the answers. I see the réponse, les réponses.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Donc, est-ce que je dois faire encore quelque chose ou non?
So that's the all info for now you received. So
okay,
that will be. So I see that some of you didn't receive your username and passwords.
Yeah.
So please, I cannot do it at this moment for so many people at once. So
Okay.
for this test session, you had an overview how everything will look.
Okay.
From tomorrow on, please write me on my email because I already contacted you all. So the people who don't have username and password, send me from your registered email that you need username and password, and you will get it very soon.
Okay.
So that's all for now. And
Marco?
this is the how system will look. So this is the whole idea. Just
Marco?
on the day of the exam, you will be logged in to your language exam. So it will be like
Okay.
the exam.
But during exam, I use same password and username?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Marco?
Okay. Thank you.
Amer.
How are you?
I don't know. I will see after 14. Yeah.
Thank you, everybody.
Yeah.
In the exam day, will there be a language option? French, Spanish, Turkish?
All languages will be available for this year. So every student will have exam in her mother language. So,
okay.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Yes.
Just another question, Marco. If I change my mind and I want to change the language, because actually I choose French, but I'm Italian. So if I want to change it, for example,
you want to change difficulty to extra hard. I don't know. We will see.
Anyway, maybe I will write you an email and we will see if
Okay,
it's
we will see
possible
with your national delegate. Yeah.
Right.
Okay, so anyone else have a problem with the connection or anything, or we will extremely efficient, so we done everything in 40 minutes. So we do have more questions. I'm very happy. So after 1 or 2 hours, I will unlock the exam again, and I will put the password of the exam on the page of the exam, so it will be easier for you. And I will unlock the option for attempt, so you can do it without any limits, so you can go round and round. So that's the idea for now. And I hope that there will be no major problems, technical problems on the day of the exam. And if you don't have any question, we will meet very soon, 1 hour before the exam, 8:00 Central European Time. And that's all for now on. And I would like to ask delegates that joined the session to stay for a few minutes more after applicants leave the session. If you have more questions, you can write me, and please, everyone who are without their username and password, send me from tomorrow on your emails with the inquiries, and then I will respond you very fast. That's all. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Marco.
Bye.
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 Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.